Welcome to Gadget Solution. Xbox can't connect to Wi-Fi. Fix Xbox can't connect to Wi-Fi extender. 1. Power cycle the network. Unplug the Netgear wireless extender from its outlet. Do the same with the main router. Remove its power plug as well. Next, hold the Xbox button on the console for some time to turn it off. Unplug the Xbox by removing it from the power source. Wait for some time now. Plug back the Xbox console now and push the Xbox button to power it up. Plug in the router and then the Netgear extender. 2. Remove third-party accessories. If you've connected any third-party accessories to Xbox like a headset, then there is a possibility that it uses the same frequency as the Xbox. Remove any third-party accessories right away. Three. Make a wired connection. Find a LAN cable of suitable length. Insert one of its ends into the Ethernet port on the back of the console and the other one into the Wi-Fi extender. This makes a wired network connection. 4. Update Netgear extender. Your Netgear extender might need an update right away. An older version could be causing trouble while making Wi-Fi connections. Log in to your wireless extender by making use of the IP address 192.168.1.250 to check for firmware updates. 5. Use a different channel. To avoid this, change the wireless channel on the extender. Log in to the extender on a device connected to its Wi-Fi. Go to Settings and then Wireless Settings. Head to the 2.4 GHz section and change the channel by selecting from the drop-down menu. Repeat the process in the 5 GHz section. Save the settings once done. Thanks for watching.